guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie, and today is a little bit of a different video. So you're not seeing my hands like usual for Bible journaling day, but this is still Bible journaling related. No, it's not a haul. That would be my hands. But I thought, what would be a fun thing to do today, since I'm starting something new, not on my channel, but as of tomorrow, which is Thursday, April 20th, I'm going to be starting a beginner's class in Bible journaling at my local church. So I made up some goodie bags. I technically didn't actually put them in goodie bags yet, but I have all the supplies. The ladies were kind enough to donate a little bit to help me out. I also got a few donations from suppliers, so thank you to Daily Grace Company for their kind donation, as well as Mr. Penn. So both of them sent some stuff for the ladies, which I'm so excited about. So I'm going to share everything with you. So my class is for beginners. So this would be great if you want to start a Bible journaling class, or if you've been thinking about it at your church, if you have just been trying to figure out some beginner type things to use, this is a great video for you. So I'm going to go through everything that I have for each of the ladies. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I have is, there's probably going to be between 6 to 8 ladies, I think, at the class. So it is probably going to be once a month. I did put a poll on my little questionnaire saying twice a month or once a month, and so far once a month is winning, so that's what we're going to go with for now. So we'll see tomorrow, we'll see what happens. But all right, so I have these beautiful bags, which I think are adorable. Dollar store, I mean, super easy. And so I got a couple that say beautiful, some that say faith on them. I haven't taken off the tags yet, but I will be later on. And then I have some that say a love on it. So these are cute. These are a zippered pouch. They're gonna fit most everything, possibly not everything here, but most everything. So I'm gonna try to fit as much as I can in this bag, and then everything else will have to be separate. But anyways, so first things first, I do have sticky notes, because obviously sticky notes, I mean, everybody uses sticky notes, right? You can't go wrong with sticky notes. So I actually got these from Mr. Penn like last year for like a review, but I have like a ton of them, so why not share? So they all say just praying for, and there's a couple different patterns and stuff. I think they all say praying for, yeah. But they say different things on the bottom, like strength and peace. So I have one of these for each of the ladies in the group. So I will be putting one of those in the goodie bag. And then let's see. Let's go ahead and do the stuff that Daily Grace Co. and Mr. Penn sent. So the thing that Daily Grace Co. sent, which I have like probably a few extra. I wasn't sure how many ladies there were going to be. I was guessing no more than 10. So they sent me these adorable scripture cards, which I absolutely love. So let me open them so you can check it out. I have extra, so I'm not worried about opening one. Okay, so it's 31 days of prayer for others, and I think they're all the same. Yeah, they're all the same. So there's one whole pack for each of the ladies, so I do not have to split these up. So these are just different prayers. So it is, 31 days. So each day has a prayer for others. So you can pray for somebody who may be in that situation if you don't know anybody, because one says like prayers for peace. One says prayers for broken relationships. So maybe you don't know anybody in that situation, but maybe God will pop something in your mind as you're going through these. And there's Bible verses on each of them. So I think this is great. I'm going to keep one for myself. Why not? Especially if I have extra. But don't worry, I usually like keep like an extra one handy just in case somebody else comes in. So, but I absolutely love these. I think these are going to be great. Okay, I lost my bag. There we go. These are also great for journaling. You can easily put these in as a tip-in in your Bible. If a verse hits you, if you want to use the verse that is on there. I'm not going to be able to put these back in the bag. There we go. All right, so that's what they sent me, and they kindly sent me, it looks like, 15. So definitely plenty. I might even just go ahead and gift more of these to the ladies in the church who may not even be joining in Bible journaling, so that'd be great too. So I have extra to gift the ladies. All right, the next thing that, so that was from Daily Grace Co. Next up is Mr. Penn stuff. So the first thing they sent me was Christian Stencils, which I don't know how many are in here. I'm going to open them anyways because I'm going to split them between the ladies. But there's at least 8 in here, if not more. So I'm going to try to split them up between the ladies, give them the best ones I can, because some might be a little bit more generic than others. Some have letters, but there's really pretty, like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like borders, there's letters, there's shapes, there's like a whole bunch of different things that are easily usable. There's ones with crosses and stuff. Sorry, that's upside down. Crosses and little circles and squares and stuff, and ones that say faith. And so really, really cute. Faith, hope, love. So I'm going to try really hard to give at least one of the faith ones to each of the ladies plus an extra one. So definitely looks like there's a good, looks like there's 12. So if there's 6 ladies, because I know there's a definite 6. So if there's 6, I'd be able to give them each 2, but I'm only going to do 1 for now, as we'll see how many are going to show up. So we got those. Okay, next thing they sent me was Bible pens, which I think these are, I don't know if they're colored, so don't quote me, but I'm guessing they're colored because they do have a bunch of colors. So I'm going to give at least 1 of these to each of the ladies, possibly 2 if I have enough. So plenty of multicolored pens. It says no bleed through page, perfect for journaling. So I absolutely love them. I also think Mr. Pen is a Christian company, so I think that's amazing. So they kindly sent me a pack of these to share with the ladies. Let's see what else. I did get a pack of stickers, which it looks like there's a few sheets in here, but I'll have to probably split, like give the ladies like maybe 3 stickers each or something, because these are big. These are like the size of the palm of my hand. So these are big stickers. So definitely these are amazing. I want to split those between the ladies. And then they also sent me a pack of these aren't the gel ones, but they're just regular highlighters. And I do really like these. I have used them in my Bible. There's no bleed through except for like, I think like at the end, like any normal highlighter for Bibles would. But so they sent me the giant pack of the new colors, which I love these. I have a set for myself. I absolutely love them. So they kindly sent me a pack of these, so I can easily probably gift 3 of these colors to each of the ladies, which I think is amazing. And then I also have the gel highlighters. So I do have these. And I actually don't have a couple of these colors. So I'm like, oh, but no, I'm not going to keep them. I'm going to give them. So they sent me a pack of gel highlighters, and it looks like there's 8, so that is perfect for 1 for each of the ladies. I know that Mr. Pen went overboard. So the next thing they sent me was encouragement cards. So I will split these up between the ladies. So these have what looks like probably something similar to what I showed you from Daily Grace Co. But I think these are just Bible verses. They're not, yeah, these are just Bible verses. So I like these because they're the Bible verses, but they're also like a paper material, like a thick cardstock. So you can write on the back, which I think these will be great for tip-ins. So each one has Bible verses on them. So I'm going to see if I can get like their favorite Bible verses. Like if I can like hunt through these and see if I can find some of their favorite verses. I'm going to try, but we'll see. We'll see if that happens. We'll try. All right, so there's those. If I can find the Bible verse that they love, then that'd be great. Because I actually did tell them to share their favorite Bible verses with me. I'm nosy and I like to know too. All right, so that was those. Next thing they sent me was, this is the last thing I think. Yeah, looks like it. So the last thing they sent me was a pack of washi tape. So I think I can give 2 washi tapes to each of the ladies, which is really awesome. There's some thin ones, a little bit thicker ones. So I'm excited. Actually, there's more than 12 in here. I just realized some of them are thinner. So there could be 24, maybe. Yeah, there's between 16 to 24 probably in here. So I can give at least 2, if not 3 to the ladies, which I am so happy about. There's actually, I'm not going to open these just yet, but there is plenty of washi tape. You can tell from the red. There's quite a bit of washi tape, which is great. So, all right, on to the stuff that I physically got for the ladies from their donations. Wow, wrong word. Sorry about that. Okay, anyways, but I had these at home, so I didn't have to go out and buy some. But playing cards. These are going to be for a painting project that's going to be in the future. So this is going to be great for that, because if you know the playing card method, it helps a lot with paint spreading, which is super easy and super fun. So this is definitely going to give at least a couple to the ladies to do that. Let's see. I have crafting sponges, which are amazing. So honestly, with the playing cards, I probably didn't even need to get the sponges, but crafting sponges are always a fun project to have anyway, so always handy to have those. And there's plenty in there to give at least the ladies at least like 3, I think, so that'd be great. All right, next things that I got the ladies, I got distress ink, which I actually found in the clearance aisle, so I was really happy about, because our first project is actually going to be using these, and distress ink is one of my favorites, if not my favorite thing to use. So I'm absolutely in love with these. So I'm going to give each of the ladies a color, and they're actually nice colors. They're not like the tans, and you know, they're definitely bright and fun colors. There's yellow, orange, green, blue, purple, so tons of fun colors. So I'm definitely going to try to match them up with their favorite colors. If I can, I'm going to try. So I got those, and then I got the sponge daubers, which I have seen plenty of people use in the past, because I was going to get like the regular applicators that I think Tim Holtz makes, but you only get 2 in a pack. And I didn't have the money to get those. So I'm like, I would have to buy 4 packs instead of 2. Now, there is only 6 in here. If 2 more ladies show up, then I can have my mom use the 1 dauber, you know, or my own. And I'll let another lady, if I have an extra of my own, I'll give that too. So got 2 of those. All right, next up, I got 1 pack of paper, and this was a tough decision. I didn't know if I wanted to do vintage or if I wanted to do like fun and colorful. So I went with fun and colorful, because who doesn't love some fun, pretty, colorful pages? So this has 36 sheets, so I should be able to give at least 3 to 4 sheets per lady. So I think that's amazing. We're going to do a couple different projects with that, at least 1 that I know of. All right, so then the last thing, I think it was the last thing, yeah, last thing is, I know some of the ladies got journaling Bibles, which I think is amazing. I gifted 1 to a friend, and a couple ladies went out and bought them at their local Ollie's. So if you don't know, go shopping at Ollie's. Not sponsored, but they have amazing Bibles for a pretty decent price. So go check them out if you have one near you. So anyway, so the last thing that I got was for people who, there's certain crafts that they might not be comfortable with doing in their Bibles, like painting, or they're unsure if it'll bleed through. So this is for that, and I'm giving 1 to each of the ladies there, and I got journals. They were from Joann's, I think, not sponsored, but let me open them. Sorry about the noise. But I'm really excited about these because I wanted journals, and the cheap ones online, they look like they were really thin paper, and I just couldn't find any. So I got 3 of them. I got 6 total. But I know some ladies already have a Bible, so like I'm not worried about it. But I wanted to see, okay, they are actually pretty thick paper. They're not super thick, like they're not what I would consider like what's it called? Like not like a heavy duty journal, but this would easily, I think, hold paint and stuff. So it is completely blank. There's no lines, no dots, no anything, which I absolutely love because I feel like you get more creative that way. And also they're blank. They came in black, white, and like that craft brown paper look. But I got the black because it's more classy and you could easily decorate it with paint or stickers or whatever. So I got 6 of those. If I need to get more, I can always go out next week and grab a couple extra just in case. I did forget a couple things. I did buy 2 packs of die cut stickers, which I'm going to split between the ladies. And there's florals and there's some faith ones. So I think these are going to be great to share too, as well as these alphabet stickers. So in case anybody, you know, they're uncomfortable with their writing or whatever, I have 1 sticker sheet for each of the ladies for letter stickers. So I thought that was a kind of a fun tip. I also really like these. I should have grabbed one for myself. But anyway, so I grabbed that as well. All right, so that is everything that I have for the ladies. So it's going to be fun to put this all together. I'm not going to do it today because I do have a book to finish for a live for my other channel. So I will be doing that and also filming another video as well. So yes, that's everything. So I think it's going to be lots of fun. Pray for me that I'm not too nervous, but you know, first day's always nervous for anything new. So I think it's going to be fun though. And I have a fun, easy project that really has nothing to do in your Bibles tomorrow. We're going to make bookmarks. So I think that's going to be so much fun. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss any Bible journaling videos. And I post every Wednesday, or I try to. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video.